Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and in this video I am going to show you how to solve inequalities. Many type of inequalities here, solving linear inequalities, solving non-linear inequalities, absolute value inequalities, modeling with inequalities, many types of. Some problems in algebra lead to inequalities instead of equations. An inequality looks just like an equation, except that in the place of the equal sign is one of the symbols less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. But here, before going to start how to solve linear inequalities, I want to introduce rules for inequalities. Here total six rules, and this one is the first: a less than or equal to b. So if you have given any inequality and if you add any number both sides, so inequality doesn't change. Adding the same quantity to each side of an inequality gives an inequality equivalent equal inequality. Okay, and here b. So given this inequality and if you subtract by any number, so inequality doesn't change. Okay, so subtract the same quantity from each side of an inequality gives an equivalent inequality. Okay, if you multiply with any positive number in this inequality, so inequality sign doesn't change. Multiply each side by an inequality by the same positive quantity gives an equivalent inequality. Okay. If c less than 0, it means this is negative number. And if you multiply here by any negative number, so inequality sign change. Okay, remember this. If you multiply or divide by any negative number, inequality sign change. This is less than or equal to, now greater than or equal to. Okay, so multiply each side by an inequality by the same negative quantity, reverse the direction of the inequality. Okay, this is very important rule. If a greater than 0 and b greater than 0, and then a less than or equal to b, so that time if you reciprocal, so inequality sign change. Okay, taking reciprocals of each side of an inequality involving positive quantities reverse the direction of the inequality. And here sixth rule: if a less than or equal to b and c less than or equal to d, so we can add them. Okay, a plus c, left hand side added and right hand side added, so inequalities can be added. Okay, now we can start this question: solving linear inequalities. Okay, this is linear inequality, and then we can solve for x and sketch the solution set. So you can imagine this inequality is just like an equation. So both sides subtract 9x. 3x minus 9x minus 6x less than 4. Okay, 4. So, when you subtract any number both side, inequality sign doesn't change. Okay, but if you multiply or divide by any negative number, inequality sign change, reverse direction. Okay, so negative 6 upon negative 6x, and this is 4. And when we divide by negative 6, or we can say multiply by negative 1 upon 6, same thing. Okay, so inequality sign change. This is less than, now greater than. Okay, this is x positive, minus 6 cancelled by minus 6, greater than. And this answer is in minus because different sign. And 4 upon 6 we can simplify. Now 2 upon 3. We can divide by 2. So here is the solution, means all x values more than minus 2 upon 3. Okay, we can sketch this. This is a number line, this is 0, here 1, here minus 1, like that. And this is minus 2 upon 3. So I can represent this. Okay, and here no equal to sign, right? So we can just make hollow circle. If here equal, so just fill this. Okay, but here no equal sign, so just make hollow circle, draw a hollow circle. Okay, and here more than this, so this is our answer, all these values. Okay, or this is first form to write answer, this is second form, and third form in interval set form. Okay, so you can write minus 2 upon 3, this is not include, so use this parenthesis. Otherwise, if include, if you're like this and make this fill this actually, and here write this is square bracket. But this time this is not equal, and this is hollow circles, so we can write just simply this small bracket or parenthesis, and here infinite. Okay, never ended. So the solution set is consist of all numbers greater than minus 2 upon 3. In other words, the solution of the inequality is the interval minus 2 upon 3 infinity. Okay, and yeah, I hope you understood this answer very well. And if you have any doubt, please ask me. And for next question, please follow me, subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye. Have a nice time.